Such a talented DJ, well versatile, and he'll be dropping his album soon, so listen out for that. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Cardi B got a new job. She will be the new creative director at Playboy magazine. Cardi will provide artistic direction across co-branded fashion and sexual wellness, merchandise collection, digital editorial, experiential activations, and more. Okay. Get that back, girl. $500,000 is definitely not a little bit of money, especially when you get that as a water bill. Governor wasn't having it and posted his bill on social media and tagged Mocha and NWC. NWC quickly responded asking for more info. So let's see how that goes, cause that's not right. Lots of new songs coming out every day, but this one, you be the judge. The heroine, she and that dress are both going down in history. After being made a republic this week, Prime Minister of Barbados, Mia Mottley, made Rihanna a national hero. What your thoughts about that gold dress though? Too revealing? To me, nah. But congrats, Riri, big things happening for you, girl. And finally holding the #1 spot this week, big up and enough respect to the fastest woman in the world, Elaine Thompson-Herah, who was named World Athlete of the Year. Keep flying our flag, girl. Yes, that's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment and more. Up next, which artist should be made a national hero here in Jamaica? The answers might surprise you. We'll soon come.